I'm Rajni Mahajan. What's your name?
I am Ayush Pandey.
And what's your name?
I'm Roshni Thakur.
Okay, so Ayush Pandey, your serial number is 24A, 10A, and Roshan, your serial number is 21B, 10A. Ayush Pandey, where do you live?
I live in Indira Vihar.
Do you like this place?
Yes,
Why?
because there are many trees there. I like the environment and people are very friendly and they share carpool.
They share carpool. So you are in the favor of the carpool?
Yes, I am there.
Roshni, why do you like this school?
Ma'am, my school is like a temple for me. I just come here and my teachers are God for me. I'm blessed to have such teachers. My friends, they are so good and I just love it. The environment of the school, the values the school teaches.
What are the other things of the school?
Ma'am, how teacher teaches us the academics and the co-curricular activities that school teaches.
Now Ayush Pandey, you are going to tell us about your topic. When you have finished, Roshni will ask you a question, then I will ask you some more questions. Would you like to begin, please?
Yes. Today my topic is something which is serious concern for India's future. It is the trend of moving abroad in the search of jobs and education. Today nowadays, almost all the technological happenings and all the discoveries are now happening out of the India. And most of the invention discoveries are done by Indian origin men and women. In India, about 60% population under 35 years of age. If they all will plan to move out of the country in search of job and education, then what will be our course of future? We should think upon that. Also, India has the same potential as the potential of other countries, but it is hidden by our greedy politicians who spend very less on economic growth, youth and development and all. Also, recently a young girl, 11-year-old girl, won the Melissa IQ scholarship test. She's an Indian origin girl. She has an IQ more than Stephen Hawking and Einstein. Think if that sort of IQ will be cultivated in every citizen's mind, what will be the future of India? We should stop everyone moving out of the country, and this will be very harm for our coming generations. They should also do something for India also. Thank you.
Okay. Roshni, now can you ask me a question, please?
Ayush, I would like to ask, would you like to move to any other country for your job or studies?
No, I can support this motion because I like my country. I will do everything for my country and I will die for my country.
Okay. Ayush, you have just said that many people they go out of the country. What role government can play to stop this?
They should establish very good institutions for education and all. Today IIT Delhi stands in 250 rank all over India, all over world, and Harvard University ranks 1 in all over world. If Harvard Institute should be compared with IIT, what are the differences? What things are missing? They should also fulfill that. Also, they should be incrementing the teacher faculty.
Now, Roshni, you are going to tell us about your topic. When you have finished, Ayush will ask you a question, then I will ask you some more questions. Would you like to begin, please?
Yes, ma'am, my topic is music. Music is the best creation of man. It touches the soul and helps us to sympathetically manifest unspoken desires. In fact, music can best be described as a feeling of bonding of people together. Whether you are a music enthusiast or not, you can express your feelings, love, joy, sorrow, affection, and other kinds of feeling through music. And it is rightly said, through words and letters, if you can't express yourself, music is the best option. You can express your heart's intent through music. According to a survey, it is said that children who play instrumental music have higher IQ than other children, and doctors and therapists also use soft and soothing music to for the revival of their patients. And music for me is love, life, passion and creativity. Music is capable of enchanting both man's and God's heart.
Thank you. Now, Ayush, can you ask her a question, please?
What is the importance of music in life?
Yes, music can calm you. Music can calm you. Music is like it can control your heartbeat. It sends positive signal to your brains, and it can calm and revive you. and it is very well said that for me, by Einstein, it is said that if I were not a physicist, I would probably be a musician.
Okay. Roshni, you have just said that we can express our love through music. How?
Ma'am, music is something that what we cannot speak is expressed through a song or some kind of music. If we are not able to express our love or some other feelings, music can help us to express that thing to a person or something what we want to express.
Now let's move to the next task. I am going to give you a card which has information about the problem. I will now read out the information for you once. I would like you to read it too and then discuss together how you are going to solve the problem. You see a lot of handbills and posters sticking on public property like over bridges, traffic light posts and walls as elections are round the corner. This spoils the beauty of your city and looks unpleasant. So you have to discuss with your partner what can be done to solve this problem. You have 2 minutes for this. Okay, here is your problem.
You see a lot of handbills and posters sticking on public property like overbridges, traffic light posts and walls as elections are round the corner. This spoils the beauty of your city and looks unpleasant. With your partner discuss.
I think government should government should put a notice on some board or something that sticking posters or posters on like bridges is not there, and we should if done so, serious actions would be taken against
It should be a punishable offence
Yes.
for the one who sticks all these stickers around the corner and walls and all of as also there must be debate on it that our city, we have to live here, we have to clean it, we have to make it pleasant for the very tourists came to our country, many people came to our country. They should see that our city is something. We can also means if we want to increase the reputation of that thing for what we are wasting it, we can do this by social media or any other thing which is not spoiling of our environment, or should also keep it in our mind that it is our place, we have to live here.
Yes, and in schools or other institutions, workshops should be organized that these things are spoiling our city's beauty, and these things should be made a public offence by the government.
People must be aware of it. We have
Can
discussed.
you repeat the sentence? What is it?
Ma'am, we should organize some workshops in schools, colleges or other institutions that would just show that sticking such posters on bridges and walls is just spoiling our city's beauty.
Or we can, if someone wants to promote its party or any other thing or bills or anything, he can promote it through social media. It is spreading in our country like a wave. And also due to many other things are there to promote a specific thing. We cannot only put a paper on the street and a wall to promote everything.
So how would you convey this message to the public?
As you said, by workshops, by making them aware through social media, through various things methods are there to promote this thing.
What role your parents can play in it?
We can make them aware that sticking such bills and posters are spoiling the beauty of our city. As Ayush said, many tourists comes to India and they think that this looks so odd.
So what government can do for this?
Government can make it an offence.
Okay, government can make it a punishable offence for the one who pastes these type of things on the wall. It should put a notice on that the one who pastes it here will be given such a amount of fine or this year of jail.
So do you think this problem can be solved?
Yes.
That's the end of the test. Thank you everyone.